all my Up Next babies? It's your girl LexUpNext, and I'm back with another video. If you're a returning subscriber, what's poppin'? And if you new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Stop playing with it. So I know y'all see how laid and slayed my hair is in this clip, period. So I'm about to show y'all how I applied that wig. And that is the same wig that I revived. It's an old wig, so I wore it before. But if you go to my last video, you will see where I revived it and brought it back to life. So go check that out. But right here, I'm just taking some alcohol and I just cleaned my edges just to make sure no oil is on there. And I'm taking Ghost Bun glue and going right around my edges, around the line of my edges rather. And I'm taking that glue. And now I'm taking the oil. You can use any type of growth oil, wild growth oil, anything that'll help your hair grow up under them wigs. Put it in your braids because that's what's going to grow your hair up under the wig. So that's what I just did. And I'm about to just smooth this glue out. This glue is what's going to hold on my cap. I don't glue my wigs down, but I do like to glue my caps down only because I don't like when they come up under the wig. So that's what I'm doing. My hair was braided clearly before I came on video, so y'all want to make sure y'all have the Cleo braids. Make sure y'all had to set it off braids, the Meek Mills before y'all put this on. That's what's going to keep your wig flat. Okay, so I'm putting on a tan cap, and the tan caps are the best because you can change the color of the cap when you put your makeup on it rather than working with a dark cap. So you just want to pull it down over the glue and press it in. I pulled it down over my ears too, and I know it was over my eyes, so it looked a little crazy. But right here, I'm putting more glue, and then you're going to see me go on top of that to add even more glue because you just want that cap to stay down, and you don't want it to lift or nothing like that. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just going over the edge with more glue. Yeah. And I know I probably should have poked holes through the ears. I did it at the last minute because I had forgot, but it was all good. Right now I'm just taking a blow dryer and I'm drying the glue. You want to make sure it's completely dry before you cut it because if it's not, it could like pull the cap back. It'll start sliding back if it's not dry all the way. So make sure y'all glue is dry. Alright, so this is where I cut the ears out. Like I said, I would have did this before, but I had forgot. But this just helps it lay completely flat on your edges. And now I'm just going to cut all the excess cap off. I tried using that like an eyebrow razor, but mine wasn't sharp enough. So I just got the scissors again and cut off all the rest of it. Okay, so right here, I decided to sew down the back of the cap because my braids, if I didn't sew it down, my braids would fall out the back because I had tucked them in, as y'all seen in the clip before. So I just wanted to secure it back there. That's why I sewed it down. And that's how it came out. It was real late. So now I'm taking my black radiance, and I don't know what color that was. It was the darkest color in the powder like foundation. And I'm just applying that with a brush onto the cap just to make it blend in more with my skin tone. I don't know why it looked kind of reddish like under on the video. I don't know why it kind of looked red, but I mean, it blended in good enough for me. I just took some Got To Be and I'm spraying the cap down just to try to melt it a little more to make everything blend, and I'm blow drying that dry. Now I'm taking some more alcohol and cleaning around the edge of my hairline where I'm got to be the wig down, where I'm gonna spray it down. You want it to be clean in that area, so it's no oil, nothing like that. Make sure y'all go follow my Instagram. Y'all see it on the screen. LexUpNext. Go follow me. And let me see what I'm doing now. Okay, I want to say right here, I'm putting foundation on the wig itself, on the lace, up under the lace. You're going to kind of see me lift it up, but you can't see me right now what I'm doing. But that's what I'm doing. Okay, now I'm putting the wig on. And as y'all see, that wig blended. Like, it was blended. I was surprised. I always be struggling with blending my wigs. Okay, so right here you see me pulling back some of the cap because I have my sideburns are thick and they kind of run low. So I try to cover them up, but clearly I couldn't do that. I went too far down, so I tried to cut some of the cap off because the wig wasn't able to cover all of it. So I got it as best as I could. Yeah, so the wig ended up covering it up best as I could get it. So right here I'm taking my Got To Be spray and I'm spraying down the wig, but I'm spraying it in sections. So I'm starting on that side and I'm blow drying and combing as I go. You want to comb through it while you're drying it just to get the hair out of the way and to try to keep the hair from not getting too stiff from the Got To Be spray. And right here, I'm just cutting the extra lace off because I have wore this wig already, and it was like, you know how your hair start moving, I guess shedding around the edge of the lace. That's basically what it was doing. So I had to cut some more lace off the front. But right here, I'm doing the same exact thing I did to the other side. I sprayed it with the Got To Be, and I'm blow drying it and combing the extra hair that's sticking out. And, you know, just getting everything laid in place. I'm cutting the extra lace off on that side too. Y'all be making it look so easy to apply wigs, but I be struggling. But it always come out good at the end, but y'all. So right here, I took the eyebrow razor and I'm just cutting off some more of that extra lace. The top is not glued down yet. That's why you can see it kind of move around. So that's the part I'm about to glue down now. I just sprayed the edge of the cap of the wig and I'm drying it right here. And I'm taking my comb, combing it, laying it, combing it, laying it. It's just a whole process, y'all. You gotta be patient and like just try to lay it the best way you can. The lace plays a big part too. So you don't want to have a wig with thick lace because then it'll be even harder to blend. So I was going for a ponytail at the top, like a ninja bun at the top, and like a top knot bun at the top, and the rest was gonna be down. So it was a half up, half down type of look I was going for because my shoot, it was an Asian inspired shoot, and I put chopsticks in the ponytail, and that's where I was going this day. I'm gonna have a vlog out soon, so make sure y'all hit that notification bell so y'all can see when I drop that video. I'm gonna have a photo shoot vlog of me doing the Asian inspired shoot. I had fun, y'all, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Right here, I'm taking out my baby hairs. I only wanted baby hairs in those two sections that you see me taking out. I didn't want to do baby hairs across the entire front of the wig, only because I didn't feel like that was the look I was going for with this hairstyle, with the ponytail. So I only took it out on them two parts. But right here, I'm just getting the ponytail the way I want it. I'm hot combing it to get it really flat. And yeah, that's basically what I'm doing here. So now that I got it flat, I added some got to be, and I'm combing over that too, and that's gonna hold it in place and just make it look real laid and give it that shine. Now I'm taking a rubber band and I'm trying to get it as even and in the middle of my head as I possibly can. Right here, I'm just going in little areas and got to be in it down some more to get it even flatter. And then I'm going to take a scrunchie and I'm going to put that over the top of the rubber band. And that's just what's going to really tighten it up. Then I just pull on it a little bit to tighten it even more. So right there, I took some got to be, and that's just to kind of have the slick look for the ninja bun or whatever you want to call it. Top knot bun. And I just twisted it around and I bobby pinned it. So right here, I'm brushing through my hair and I'm running the flat iron through it. It was already straightened, so I didn't have to do too much. Now I'm about to tie it down. Well, no. I was getting my scarf ready for when I do tie it down. Right here, I'm trying to see what I'm doing. Yeah, I really forgot. I want to say I'm just combing through the hair, and oh, okay. I'm putting extra got to be on the tabs, the sideburns. That's the main part I struggle with is my sideburns, gluing those down with the wig. Only because, like I said before, my natural sideburns are really thick, so I'll be having to try to finesse them up under the wigs. Right here, I'm just going in and melting the wig a little bit more with some more got to be, but I'm doing it in sections only because I didn't want the wig to lift. If you just go through and just spray the whole thing, it can lift your whole wig up, so you don't want to do that. I'm just cutting more of the extra lace that was on here. I'm cleaning my hairline off with more alcohol because I got a lot of got to be everywhere. So you want to get all of that extra got to be off. And now I'm about to tie down my hair. And this is really going to give it that melted look where the lace blends seamlessly with your skin. Okay, so those are the results afterward. Now I'm about to just work on my baby hairs, my two little sections of baby hairs. I'm going to just cut them with the eyebrow razor, and then I cut them with some scissors because I wanted to have that kind of layered effect. So I cut it at an angle, and I'm using Gorilla Snot for to lay them down, to slick them down, because I feel like Gorilla Snot really holds them in place. And you see I go in and I cut a little extra off. You really just got to play around with your baby hairs to get them the way that you like them. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. I'm just tweaking it a little bit, you know, getting it how I like it, laying it a little more, nothing too major because everything was perfect at this point. So yeah. So these are the finished results. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.